8041. Transfer of electric energy from one circuit to another without the aid of electrical connections. A. Is called induction. B. Is called capacitance. C. Can cause excessive arcing and heat, and as a result is practical for use only with low voltages divided by amperages. The correct answer is A. Induction is the process of transferring electric energy from one circuit to another without the need for electrical connections. Capacitance, on the other hand, refers to the ability of a system to store electric charge. It is true that induction can cause excessive arcing and heat, which is why it is typically used only with low voltages and amperages. 8042. If three resistors of 3 ohms, 5 ohms, and 22 ohms are connected in series in a 28-volt circuit, how much current will flow through the 3-ohm resistor? A. 9.3 amperes. B. 1.05 amperes. C. 0.93 ampere. The correct answer is C. To calculate the current flowing through the 3-ohm resistor in a series circuit with resistors of 3 ohms, 5 ohms, and 22 ohms, use Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that current equals voltage divided by resistance, or I equals V divided by R. Total resistance equals 3 ohms plus 5 ohms plus 22 ohms equals 30 ohms. Current I equals 28 volts divided by 30 ohms equals 0.93 ampere. Since current is the same through all components in a series circuit, 0.93 ampere flows through the 3-ohm resistor. 8043. A circuit has an applied voltage of 30 volts and a load consisting of a 10-ohm resistor in series with a 20-ohm resistor. What is the voltage drop across the 10-ohm resistor? A. 10 volts. B. 20 volts. C. 30 volts. The correct answer is A. To calculate the voltage drop across the 10-ohm resistor, use Ohm's law. Current through the series circuit is I equals V divided by R1 plus R2 equals 30 divided by 10 plus 20 equals 1 ampere. The voltage drop across the 10-ohm resistor is V1 equals I multiplied by R1 equals 1 multiplied by 10 equals 10 volts. 8047. Which is correct in reference to electrical resistance? A. Two electrical devices will have the same combined resistance if they are connected in series as they will have if connected in parallel. B. If one of 3 bulbs in a parallel lighting circuit is removed, the total resistance of the circuit will become greater. C. An electrical device that has a high resistance will use more power than one with a low resistance with the same applied voltage. The correct answer is B. The statement, if one of 3 bulbs in a parallel lighting circuit is removed, the total resistance of the circuit will become greater, is correct. 8048. What happens to the current in a voltage step-up transformer with a ratio of 1:4? A. The current is stepped down by a 1:4 ratio. B. The current is stepped up by a 1:4 ratio. C. The current does not change. The correct answer is A. In a voltage step-up transformer with a ratio of 1:4, the current is stepped down by a 1:4 ratio.